So we're gonna drive about 2.5 hours and keep you guys updated. Perfect timing, we just made it right on the ferry. They were closing the gate and we just made it in. So it's roughly about 350 meters and we'll get to the other side. In the back, he's waiting to go for a walk soon. Right, bud? Almost there. Check this out, guys. We got some turkeys crossing the road. Nice. There they go. Okay.
So that's one there.
Oh, nice.
That's a little 15-week old. Oh yeah, we'll fit. They'll fit.
Oh yeah, they'll fit. That's quite a bit.
Yeah, you just gotta find them.
Unless you want to give me one older than the 15 weeks, so I can guess. Unless you want to give me one older than the 15.
Look out, Charlie! Look out!
Okay, go.
In we go. Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said unless you want to give me one older, so I can get some eggs right away.
I could probably do that.
Would be awesome if you could.
Get down. Okay. And these little guys are very friendly.
Oh, that's good.
Like they've kind of imprinted on me, you know. But they'll. The tricky part is catching them. Okay.
There we go.
That's a full. So she'll be laying.
She'll be laying right away. Oh, that's
a
awesome.
full-size one. So.
Hey,
And that's one of the ones I just got. In.
I'll let you close it off.
That's one of the ones I just got in at the end of April.
Hey, Duke. So I just put Duke in first. Here, watch out. Back up. Back up. Back up, Duke. Okay. Duke, I know. Have to make sure everything is good. Watch out, buddy. So we can let the chickens out and get them some water. It's really wet because it's been raining all day. Everything is set up good here. Just gotta take my tools out. I still have to fix this wire. Give me some room, please. Okay. Just gonna close the door a bit on Duke. Stay there, bud. Okay, let's see if they'll come out. There we go. Let's give them some room. Let's see if they'll come out that way. There we go. No, Duke, stay there, please. Wait. Wait. I know you want to play with them. Just wait. Give them some time so they can relax. There we go. There's no grains here or nothing. You have to look for your own food. That's it. So you can close this up and wash it.